Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I don't do this, first of all.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. I don't go like, hey guys.
She does that.
No, I'm not. I'm like, hi guys.
What is the difference?
You're right, okay. Hey guys, it's Rimi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my sister. We are quarantined together and we're showing you her curly hair routine today. So you guys have seen me do my hair a bajillion, zillion different times. But I don't have luscious, juicy 3C.
Stop having me up.
I don't have luscious, juicy 3C. Shut up.
I don't have luscious, juicy
3C 4A curls. By the way, since she doesn't really know her curl type, that's your curl type. It's like 3C 4A. But today we're going to be showing you her curly hair routine. I'm surprised it's so simple. Like, I thought it was going to be a lot more complex, but it is so simple, and her hair just turned out so voluminous, so juicy. I like it. One of my subscribers actually commented on, like, my last video, I think, and she said it would be cool to see my sister and I switch our curly hair routine. So if you guys want to see that video, then give this video a thumbs up, and we'll film that next because we're just, you know, quarantined and chilling. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. And now let's go ahead and get started with Christy's curly hair routine. What do you want me to do?
Like, let's get into the video. So, like, twirl.
Oh, I made it shorter so it can fit you and not me. Okay. So what do you do first?
I just comb out my hair.
Do you use a comb or a brush usually?
Comb.
Comb?
Yeah.
I just switched to using a brush. You should try it.
Like, what kind of brush?
Just like, well, I use the Denman brush and then like just regular brush.
Ever since I cut my hair has been really easy to brush. It like doesn't really create that much knots. I use Cantu.
Yeah, I remember I used that once and my hair was like slicked down to my head. I don't know why, because I feel like we both have fine hair, but your hair can handle Cantu. Mine cannot at all.
Yeah, my hair gets really frizzy fast. So this is the only product that actually can hold my hair and make it look like juicy and nice for like more than one day.
Do your curls last longer with that too?
Yes.
Like how many days usually?
Honestly, maybe like 4 days.
4?
It'll look big and everything. Like, my hair doesn't really get frizzy maybe on like till the 5th day, and that's usually when I just wear it like back and stuff.
Where does your hair usually frizz at? Like at the top or the back?
The back of my head.
I feel like I have like 3A, some 3B curls. Yours are kind of
mine
like
are kinky. Tight.
Like
yeah.
yours, you have tight kinky curls.
I take the top off because I like to get a lot of product. So I use about this much on just one part of my hair.
One?
Like, you see how I have it split right now?
Yeah.
I just like mix it up in my hand and literally just finger it through my hair.
Do you put it on your roots at all?
No.
Yeah, okay, me neither. I don't put any products on my roots.
I don't think I do. Sometimes I just get in there. You never know.
I can't believe you use that much on only one side of your head. I would use less than that on my whole head. That sounds good. It's very like coconutty.
Yeah.
What is this? Like
shea
coconutty? Shea butter.
It's really good for your, I think it's like, it's definitely used on more like
thicker hair usually.
Thick and like kinkier hair. Like you wouldn't use this on like your hair. It would definitely like weigh your curls down.
That's exactly what happened. I used it once. I remember you got it once and I was like, ooh, I know so many curly girls use this. And then I tried it. Never again. Like it weighs my hair down so much. Whoa, look at those curls though.
I know.
Juicy. Wow.
Oh. Okay. Same thing with the next side.
So you're like also finger combing it through. I feel like for me, I can't do that. I just scrunch it all into my hair. If I finger comb my hair, my curls completely separate and then I just have like frizzy waves.
Sometimes I'll like brush through it later on with the comb.
But like look at your hair, just your curls immediately go right back together. Wow.
And then I just like scrunch.
Wow.
And then
more?
I just get like a little bit more, the same amount. And the thing is like the reason why I have to use so much product is because it's like sometimes my curls will, like they'll take the product, but it won't be enough. It'll almost like...
Your hair like drinks up product, doesn't it?
Yeah, like I literally use so much conditioner.
Do you leave conditioner in your hair?
No.
So you just use regular shampoo and conditioner, you wash it out, and then you just use an entire bottle of Cantu. Got it. Juicy! Wow! We're gonna wait for her hair to dry a little bit, and then we're gonna come back, diffuse it.
I'm gonna put it on high speed, medium heat for you to diffuse. And yeah, I'm gonna just let you diffuse until your hair is dry, so just call me when you're done, okay? Gotcha, okay. Wow, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, I love it.
Alright guys, so that was Christy's curly hair routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below, let me know what your curl type is. As you guys know, my curl type is like 3A, 3B on a good day, but Christy has like super tight curls. Isn't it crazy how we are sisters and we have completely different types of curl patterns?
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.